So here's what we have. This is a logistical company for the Midwest. There's two sides to this building. Like, there's the end, and there's the end, but there's all these docks are on the other side too, on the other side of this building. Anyway, what we're doing here is a 4,000 amp, 480 volt main distribution maintenance. For insurance purposes, you got to get in here. I'll tell you before I show you because you won't be able to hear me over the generator. You got to get in there, wipe everything down, all dust collections, all traces of any foreign debris. Dust does build up in there because of the static. It attracts dirt. Anyway, and then tighten all the lugs down to spec and replace covers and sign off on it. So the power company was already out here. Lockout, tag out. This is locked. This is the transformer. Got 4160 over here. Transforms it into 480 right there. Anyway, so there it is. There's a shutdown and startup procedure that you have to follow, and it's not that big of a deal, but just procedure, you know. It's what they teach you to do. Anyway, so I'll show you inside. I got a couple other guys at a different part of this building doing another one of these. Anyway, so here you are. Everything comes into, it's bolted in concrete underneath, and it goes to underneath, and it comes up into the middle of that transformer right there. Comes in, everything's in there. That's still ComEd property right there. So from there, all those wires are bolted to these bus bars, which are connected to these main breakers. This is just a circuit breaker, that's all it is. But it's a big one. You charge them, you basically wind up a spring, and then when you press on, it throws them fuckers onto those bus bars and heats them up. Anyway, so yeah, here you go. It's 480. These are all panels around the building. I'm sure there's more transformers transforming to get it into 120, 208, whatever the transformer you put on it. Anyway, so there it is. And then from here, it comes up, and it goes to a different part of this building. Over here, way down there, like you can't see now, but it goes real far. You saw it on the outside. Anyway, so we have our generator set up, and that's it. You know, we're just doing maintenance on it. I was here 4 years ago and did the maintenance then, and for insurance purposes, we're scheduled to have another one. I have the contract with this company, and here it is 4 years later, we're doing it again. So, there you go. So we have to torque all of these, everything in there. And then here's my torque specs. For everything in there. So anyway, that's it. Gotta get to work. Comment, rate, subscribe if you want to. Next video from the farm. I'm leaving at it's 8 o'clock at night right now. I'm leaving when I'm done with this to go to the farm. Later.